Okay, so we're gonna do the wine glass craft. So you should have in your kit 2 wine glasses, some decals, some glitter, some Mod Podge, and transfer paper. You're also gonna need some rubbing alcohol, an X-Acto knife, some kind of a smooth edge, like a credit card, and what else? A towel. And I think that's it. If there's anything else, I'll just let you know along the way. Okay. Oh, I know what you're gonna need. Something that's roughly 1.5 inches to 2 inches tall. I'm gonna use some packing tape, a roll of packing tape. Danielle said you can use a baking soda box is the perfect height. So, in a marker. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're going to clean our glass. So you're gonna take your alcohol and you're just gonna wipe down the whole outside of your glass so it's clean. The next thing you're gonna do is you're going to want to make a straight line all the way around the glass. This is where we're gonna put the glitter. The easiest way to make a straight line is to find something, like I said, that's about 1.5 inches tall. And you're gonna take your marker and kind of set it on top there and just butt it up to your glass and then spin. And you'll end up with a nice even line all the way around your glass. Okay, so this line's a little higher than I want. So what I'm going to do, oh, that was the other thing we needed. We needed our tape. So if you have electrical tape, I think electrical tape is the best, but any tape will work. You're just going to tape yourself off a line for the glittering. So I'm going to put my tape below because this is a little higher than I really want, because I want, you know, like look at your decal, make sure it's going to fit. You know, obviously my decal's not going to fit if I put it, I put the tape up here. So I'm going to put it down and just follow my guideline all the way around. Just stretch it so it seals nice. Okay. Oh, I don't want that like that. Scissors. You're also going to need scissors. So I left out a bunch of stuff. Sorry, I'm in a hurry. So you have a nice even line all the way around. And my decal looks like it's going to fit above this line. So we're good. All right, so what you're going to do, and this is going to take a little bit of time, is you're going to take your Mod Podge. I forgot something else, the sponge brush. So you're going to take your Mod Podge and you're going to give it a nice even coat to the bottom of your glass. Then you're going to take your glitter and you're going to sprinkle it on top of the Mod Podge, or kind of shake it on top of the Mod Podge. Now while you're doing this, you're going to want to put something underneath to catch your glitter. A paper plate or wax paper or something like that. That way the glitter that you catch, you put back in here, because you're going to do this several times. So here's where it takes a while. So you put your Mod Podge on, you put your glitter on. Then you're going to let it sit and dry for 12 hours. Okay. And you're going to come back and you're going to repeat the process. Mod Podge, glitter. Again, let it set for 12 hours. If you have enough glitter to do a third coat and you want it thicker, go ahead and do a third coat. I think 2 should be enough though. But 1 coat's not going to be enough. Your first coat, it's going to look all splotchy and you're going to be able to see through it, and that's fine because you're going to cover it up with your second coat. So go ahead and do your third coat if you want a third coat. Mod Podge, glitter, set aside, dry for 12 hours. Then what you're going to do at the last step is you're going to just do the Mod Podge, no glitter this time. That will seal it in. It'll keep your glitter from flaking off. Again, set it aside, dry for 12 hours. The Mod Podge is dishwasher safe, but I would not put this in the dishwasher. Just hand wash these. You know, gently, don't scrub them. All right, so once that's dry, once your final coat of Mod Podge is dry, that's when you're going to take your X-Acto knife. And you're just gonna score around the edge here so that it comes off nice and clean. So after you score the edge, you will pull your tape off and you'll have a nice line with glitter below. All right, then it's time for the decals. Again, you're going to wash your glass with your alcohol. So take your 90%, 91% rubbing alcohol, or whatever alcohol you have, and clean your glass. Once you've cleaned your glass, it's going to be time to apply the decal. I'm just going to do this really quick. Take this line off. Again, this is one of your guys' kits, so that's why I'm not like doing it completely, but I just want to show you, like it's just a lot easier to show than try to type it out. All right, so now it's time for the decals. Your glass is nice and clean. You're going to take your transfer paper. I'm going to use, this is my own transfer paper. I don't want to use this one. Take your transfer paper and take a small piece of it. And this is how you put your decals on. So, get this off. Maybe, maybe not. Come on. It's not going to come off for me. There we go. All right, so you got your transfer paper. Now, sometimes the transfer paper's a little too sticky. So you can kind of blot it on a towel, kind of get some of the sticky off of it. And what you're going to do is you're going to lay this then onto your decal. Now, I'm not going to do it to this decal because I don't want to use your decals. So I have a decal here. So basically you're going to lay your transfer paper on top of that decal, and then you're going to take your smooth edge, like your credit card, and just smooth it out so it sticks on there nice. And then you're going to take the back. It should lift your decal off. So now it's time to put your decal onto your glass. So I just eyeball it. If you want to set it in something to kind of keep it sturdy while you do this, just kind of eyeball it where you want it, and then lay it down. And you kind of start from the middle and work your way out. Okay. Again, take your credit card and just, you know, you gotta press it a little so that it adheres. Just kind of rub it in there, get it all stuck down. Okay, so gotta put some pressure into it. And then you're gonna slowly just peel back your transfer paper at an angle. And hopefully your design stays in place like that. Now you guys have two colors. So now what you're gonna do then is go back and pick up your second decal, just like you did the first one. You'll pick that up off there, you know, rub it down, pick it up, and then place that where you want it and do the exact same process. You know, rub it in there and then peel it back. And that's how you place your decal. Now, you don't have to seal these or anything, but you can put them in the oven for, I don't know, about 10, 15 minutes at about 200 degrees. And that's supposed to help like really adhere the vinyl to the glass. What else? Don't put it in the dishwasher, hand wash it. Don't scrub it, and let it cure for 7 to 10 days. So don't put any liquids in this. Don't wash it or anything like that for 7 to 10 days. And that's it. You'll have your glittered wine glass, your holiday wine glasses. So I think that's it. If I missed anything on that one, I'm sorry. Like I was going super fast, trying to get out the door. Just send me a message and I'll clear up anything that you have questions on. All right. Thank you.